searching the whole ocean, wondering if the skies would clear, treading softly in slow motion. But I think the time is near, to wait.
Hey guys, we are inside of Big Lots right now checking out the fall decor, and I have to nominate Big Lots for Best Fall Decor 2018 so far. It is so gorgeous. They have this section of green and white and cream decor, which was my theme last year, and my heart was so happy to see all of this. There is just so much gorgeous, neutral, chic fall decor. Now, I would have gone crazy in this section, but I am adding pops of more traditional colors into my fall decor this year, but it took every ounce of me to not buy every single thing that I saw in this section. But I think there's really something for everybody. There will be some more traditional colors a little bit later on in the video, but I know that the majority of people watching my channel do love these neutral colors, and I don't blame you because I do too. I am absolutely loving the clear glass pumpkins that Big Lots has. There are a few different versions of this, and they're just so stunning. And most of the pillows are going to be between $12 and $14. Most of them being $12. There was only one pillow that I saw for $14. And I want to say that this section is a little bit farmhouse. There's some cotton and natural color wood and things like that. So if you are into farmhouse, I think you're gonna like a lot of what you see here. Jose and I both really liked this sign. We just couldn't think where we would put this in our own house because it's only about 2 feet tall and it's $16. I think that's a pretty fair price. It's really, really cute, but there's another easel that's cute as well that you'll see shortly. I was literally gasping at this wreath and another kind of wreath that they have with the silver dollar eucalyptus. I love, love, love silver dollar eucalyptus, and I'm so happy that Big Lots is incorporating it into their fall decor. They also have quite a few placemats and tablecloths, but I didn't want to spend too much time on those because it's not like those are the most exciting items, and there is so much to share with you. There are quite a few lantern options, and this one is unique because it has 2 candles in it. This was hands down my favorite piece. I saw this online and I just have thought about it every day since. I may have to go back and get it, but I did not get it this trip. And I noticed that a lot of people really liked I think it was a pumpkin carriage from the Kirkland's video, so I wanted to make sure to show this one to you. It's pretty affordable and super cute. And again, with more kind of green tones on this pumpkin, and it's kind of like a wood material for $14. There are only a handful of rose gold items at Big Lots, this being one of them. It is really pretty and it's $14. Now we are moving into the more traditional color section at Big Lots, and I did kind of focus more on this area because I want to add some pops of muted and rusty traditional colors. So I'm obsessed with this pillow, and spoiler alert, I bought 2 of them. I think they're going to be the perfect pop of color in my mostly neutral fall decor. These 3 baskets are very cute. They come in 3 sizes ranging between $6 and $12, and they remind me of apple picking. This truck is very similar to the one that I showed you guys at Kirkland's. This one is red. The one from Kirkland's was beige. This one has some galvanized accents on it, and the wheat is just stuck there in the bed of the truck. And I believe this one is cheaper at $20. The one from Kirkland's was about $36 if I'm not mistaken. I really like this bronze pumpkin. Something about this is unique and different than the other metallic pumpkins that I've seen. And I also really like this stacked pumpkin piece. This is $20 and I really like the colors of it. It's a little bit too traditional for me, even though I am doing more pops of traditional colors than I have in the past few years. And we're back again with some more wheat. I'm not sure how I feel about this piece. I think it's kind of bizarre, but I haven't seen it anywhere else, so it is unique at least. There are some teal pumpkins too. I know everyone's getting into teal, and I love this pillow, but I don't really like lumbar pillows. I wish this would have come in a square shape, and I definitely would have purchased it. Here is the other easel I was telling you guys about. This one is actually double-sided, so it's more bang for your buck. It's very vintage, looks like something you would see at a pumpkin patch, and I really like this. All of these little signs are $5. They are small, but they are certainly cute. So now we're in the outdoor decor section, and it seemed kind of bare. I think there may be still some more decor to come, but I know that this welcome sign with the maple leaf will be very popular. I was tempted to get that myself. And this thankful sign I showed in a Hobby Lobby haul. It's the exact same thing. I was kind of shocked to see that But we're winding down in this video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this Big Lots shop with me. I think they have the best fall decor that I have seen so far, and I really hope they keep getting more in because I just couldn't get enough while I was in the store. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know where you want to see me go next, and hopefully I'll see you back in my next video. Bye guys.